You may find now updates that the SRA added 30 additional questions for their sample questions, and I would pay attention to that, because you may have such a surprise in the exam that everything what you've seen before while preparing for the exam doesn't correspond with the level of difficulty. It's a problem for all the providers, to be honest, because questions which were given in the last two sittings, maybe not all of them, but let's say something at least 50%, were very difficult. You have something 1.7 minutes per question, but it takes all the time just to read the question. Plus you need to think a little bit about it, maybe even more than 1.7. So we now also working on the strategies, how in the most rational way to approach this exam. The questions, even though they introduce the scaling system is as to the overall sitting. This is to say, the questions still have same marks. So the strategy is first to answer easy questions, and it already can give you almost pass mark. Yeah, but that means your knowledge should be very sharp, and you should avoid mistakes in comparatively easy questions, if we can say easy. And then you have those difficult questions. Difficulties may be classified by different criteria. We actually now in the process of analysis and of creation of a bank of very similar difficult questions. And as a part of our preparation, we try to encourage the students also to put themselves in the shoes of assessors and try to draft the questions themselves, so it actually helps you to understand and maybe be very fast in ability to see this is a difficult question and I should skip it and keep it for later. In the exam interface, it's completely possible, because you can flag those questions to which you want to come back later when you finish. So that's basically the thing. You skip all the difficult questions and you answer all the easy questions. So that's a few points just about that. Our preparation, I think, just in few words, it's based on lectures that are pre-recorded, and we also have live streamed lectures when we answer the questions from the students. We can cover updates on the law, and we analyze multiple choice questions. We ask students also to write their questions. We analyze their questions during these sessions. So it's not like you have just video recording. It's completely supported. And if you have any problems, you can also contact your mentors as to that. We provide you with the notes. And these notes are very important for the preparation process, because they are structured in such a manner so one note can cover 25 pages of reading, and basically you can edit it and tailor it to your needs. Everything is very much technology based.